Whether you drive a four-wheel drive station wagon or a four-wheel drive ute with a canopy on the back, every person needs a set of drawers for storage and ensuring everything stays safe and secure in the back of their car. My name is Jason Smith. I'm the product manager with IRONMAN 4x4 and I'm here to introduce our brand new range of aluminium roller drawer systems. Let's start with configuration. As a modular drawer system, they come in three separate lengths. 1250, which is suited to your utes with canopies, a 950 length, which is suited to your Land Cruiser and larger wagons, and then the 850 for the smaller cars like your MUXs and Everests. As part of the development, all drawer systems have been engineered to fit into the back of the vehicle securely. We have then gone and designed and developed wing kits and infills that go around the outside of the drawers to fill in right up to the side of the vehicle. The drawer system is fully engineered to mount into the back of the utes and the wagons. If being installed in a ute, it would generally have to have the tub liner removed. Each kit comes supplied with a infill wing kit on the side, which is the perfect opportunity for using up storage space underneath, beside the drawer and the side of the car. As the length of the drawer is determined by the vehicle you wish to install to, you now come down to a choice of heights of drawers, whether you wish to have a full height drawer, a mid-height drawer, a combination of both. Do you want one on the left? Do you want one on the right? Would you like a slide top or would you like a solid top? Full height drawers come at 280mm, mid-height drawers come in at 190mm height. A great innovation in drawer systems over recent years is the addition of the slide top. The slide top makes sure that you do not need to have an additional fridge slide, which can add anything up to 35 kilos to the back of your car. By being able to have a slide top on a mid-height, you can also have a slide top on a full height. The advantage in doing that is if you want to get to the back of the car and don't want to lean all the way in, you can actually pull the drawer out and access a lot easier. Traditional drawer systems can weigh anything up to 140 kilos. When we designed our drawer systems, we focused on making it strong and lightweight. Hence, we've used aluminium extrusion, ABS components, and composite timbers. That gives us around about a 25% weight reduction over the leading brands. Operating the drawer system is very, very simple. Full height has a cast aluminium handle which you pull down to pull the drawer out. The mid-height has an aluminium handle which you lift up to pull out. Both drawers have got a lockout function, meaning you can extend to the full, the door will then lock out. So if you're on a bit of an incline, it's not going to slide back in. The more weight you actually put inside the drawer, the stronger the lock becomes, and when you close, you need to give a firm push to lock back in place. The slide top operates very similar to the drawers. It has a pull-out handle here, which again, when the drawer comes out, it will lock out and needs a decent shove to push back in again. Another unique feature for the IRONMAN 4x4 drawer system is the patented roller system. Using the extruded aluminium body, nylon rollers gives you effortless operation and no maintenance required. The load capacity for the 850 and 950 drawers is 100 kilos, and that is static or fully extended. The 1250 length drawers is 120 kilos. The 100 and 120 kilo weight rating is for both the slide top and also for the drawer itself. To give you a bit of peace of mind for security, the full height drawer system also has an integrated lock. Development and improvement never stops. With a drawer system, we're always looking to go that little bit further. We added in some features like an LED light strip, which is inside of each drawer. It's battery operated, so you do not need to wire back into the vehicle system, and it's a push on off button system. Integrated into both the slide top and the solid top is an aluminium extrusion, which allows you to mount tie down points. The extrusion comes fitted with a rubber strip, which you remove, put in your tie down points, and then put the rubber strip back in, so that way you don't have the extrusion filling up with dust and dirt. One of the first accessories we have is the power panel, which is designed to mount directly into the side panel of the wing kit. Each wing kit is perforated to allow the power panel to be mounted inside. The power panel comes equipped with 2 USB outlets, 2 12-volt outlets, a couple of switches, a 50 amp Anderson plug, and a digital readout. Check with your IRONMAN distributor to ensure that your wing kit is suitable with the power panel. So if you're looking for a full fit-out solution for your vehicle, drawers, fridges, solar, 12-volt, contact your local IRONMAN distributor or visit our website.